Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So me and Ian are going for the first ride of the year. We got the bikes in back. As you guys know, my bike was in the basement. Obviously I took it up, changed the oil, whatnot, got it ready. We're going to a cool little spot here in town that we never showed you guys before. It's a little sand pit like Willard's, like we went to last year. It's a little bit smaller and it's closer to home, which is super cool. It's also right along the Air Force base that you guys might have seen in some videos when we go up for a trail ride on Facing Rock.
Alright guys, so we're heading down over there, right below us basically. And then off in the distance there's an Air Force base.
It overlooks the Air Force base, but this sand pit is right next to it. We ride along the fence, so you guys will see that. But that's it for now. I'll see you guys when we get there.
Told your friends that I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last night? You say all I ever do is just control your life. How you gonna lie like that? How you gonna lie like that?
Alright guys, we're out here. Hopefully you guys saw some GoPro footage. But right now, I'm on the edge of the fence to the Air Force base. Alright, so here's the Air Force base. It's out of focus. You can see the planes down there. They don't look that big from down here, but those are the C5s and they can fit 6 Peter Pan buses inside of them. They're ginormous. It doesn't look like they're flying them today. Usually, I think it's on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we'll have to come back a day when they're flying, because obviously you'll have a great view right here along the fence. And then the sand pit we're in is just a little bit through the woods there. But I'm going to continue to get shots with the GoPro and hopefully more on the phone. Yo guys, so my phone died and I didn't get to finish recording the video, but overall it was a solid day riding and I have a couple of things I wanted to talk to you guys about. So as you guys probably saw in the beginning, that new Double O Joe logo, it's right here. I had it made into a sticker. I also had this sticker made as well. but I think I'm gonna scrap this design and just go with these designs. But let me know down in the comments below right now, what do you think is a better design? Also, these won't be for sale. These won't be for sale. I think I'm just gonna give them out for now, just because I feel like many people won't buy them. But if you would buy them, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I'll consider it in the future. Also, as you guys saw throughout the video, you saw the comments. Here's another comment. Make sure you comment down below, because I try to feature you guys in the next video if you comment. So let me know what you think of the stickers as well. Also, I know the GoPro angle on the head wasn't that great. Usually I mount it on front of my helmet, but I couldn't find the mount, so it is what it is. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.